Next Friday, that's Good Friday, April the 3rd, at the Grand Slam Opening Day Festival will be broadcasted all over.
Critics.
Are you done?
All rise. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Is presiding. While Zoom is in session, there will be no driving, no inappropriate appearance of any kind, no head coverings unless they represent religious purpose. If you have a head covering of any kind, including do-rags, please remove it now if it does not represent religious purpose. No eating, drinking, sleeping, smoking, white t-shirts or hoodies. Please take heed to the instructions. Court is in session. Also, please mute your device while in session. Good morning, Judge.
Good morning. All right, good morning, everyone. What I'm gonna try to do the best I can to get you out as fast and efficiently as possible. I'm gonna try to get you out in the order that you came in. I will start with the reviews. And if anybody, let me say this before we begin. There is an amnesty program on now, and I believe that I saw that amnesty program is going on with the Grosse Pointe Park Court. I don't know if it's amnesty all over the state. I don't know that. I just know we are on until April the 2nd. I did see on social media that some individual says they're just trying to get you down here to lock you up, and that's absolutely not true. They're trying to get you. They're trying to get money and help you save some money and get your driver's license or whatever you need to do to get back in good standing with the court. Also, if you're dealing with any housing insecurity, please let one of us know. You can put via text, in the chat or something of that nature, or you can let one of the attorneys know, or you can just say what you got to say. With that being said, we're going to get going. And are we ready, Ms. Williams-Law?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. City of Detroit versus Fred Matthew Gaboldo, case number 204397541. Mr. Gaboldo, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Name is Fred Gaboldo.
All right. Good morning to you. Date and time set for a review. You were to pay that $240. You paid the $240. I'm going to dismiss the case. And you need to take advantage of the amnesty if you can. What I'll do, just because I'm pretty sure you want to get back on the road.
Yes,
with
I
the
do.
driver's license. You owe, and this is just this is what it's going to do is I'm not gonna set these things aside. I'm going to allow you to pay the reinstatement fees up front on all these no insurance proofs. What that'll do is that'll get you clearances down here. I can't say that it's going to get you a valid driver's license because I don't know what your driving record looks like, and I don't know what kind of tickets you have in other jurisdictions, if any. But it will get you clearances down here as far as I can see.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 45 times 5. You do the math. That's what you need to bring down to the courthouse, and you need to do that. Yeah, I can't allow you to do it any other way. You need to come down to the window and pay that money. Pay that money if you're going to get into a payment plan with any of this stuff. Do that before you get into the payment plan, and then that'll get you clearances here at the 36th District Court, and you can potentially set yourself up to get a valid license. Remember, April the 2nd is the day that the amnesty program ends. So do whatever you need to do if you want to take advantage of that on or before April 2nd. So $545 fees. 5 times 45 is what you need to bring down to the 36th District Court window. You can pay those reinstatement fees up front, and that'll get you clearances here, all right?
All right, 225. Okay.
Any other questions, sir?
No, you pretty much answered all my questions.
I wish you the best of luck. What is that? Dismiss the one marked.
That one.
Yes, that's the one he paid. All right, we're dismissing that one you paid, okay?
Okay.
All right, best of luck to you, sir. Have a very good rest of your day.
All right, thank you.
Well, all right, I need,
Who do you need?
Wiley, you might as well give me the reviews. Wiley Lindsay.
Oh, okay.
City of Detroit versus Wiley Lindsay, case number SP 186-28851. Good morning to you, Mr. Lindsay. State your name for the record, please.
Yes, good morning, Your Honor. Yes, name is Wally Lindsay.
Good morning. Today is the date and time set for a review. You were ordered to pay $240. You paid that, sir. I'm going to dismiss your case, okay?
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you, Your Honor.
There's nothing further. I wish you the best of luck and have a very good rest of your day.
You too, as well, Your Honor.
Thank you. All right. Is Regina Gray here? Mr. Berry, this is the City of Detroit versus Jeffrey Ray Lopez, case number SP 182-8587, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Lopez.
Jeffrey Ray Lopez.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
I'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. I'll give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Lopez, I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
All right.
For Quintez,
No. I'm
all right. All right. When you see the prompt, sir, join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out.
Okay.
We pass the matter. This is the City of Detroit versus Quintez Eric Griffin. Case numbers SP 121-4966, counts 1 and counts 2 and counts 3. SP 175-0421, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 176-9879, counts 1 and counts 2. And appearance for the record, please.
Quintez Griffin.
Good morning to you, sir.
Morning, Your
morning,
Honor.
Tina.
Good morning to the staff. Chair Rika Harris, P72H32 on behalf of Mr. Griffin. For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute. Respectfully request that the warrant be recalled.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Griffin, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay.
See your prompt, join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out. Pass the matter.
Okay.
All right. We're waiting on a lawyer. Zoom user, can you unmute yourself, start your camera, and state your name, please?
Glenn Lott.
Not you, Mr. Lott. We've already appointed ourselves. Everybody that I'm in here right now, I've already I've already checked in. Ma'am, you just checked in. Can you unmute yourself? Look like you're in a classroom.
Yes, I'm in working orientation.
No,
Deandre
not you,
Guy.
not you.
Oh,
Miss
sorry.
Ms. Owens, you're in orientation. What about on the one that's in the classroom?
Yeah, my name is Deandre Guy.
Guy?
Yeah, GY.
GY. I think you missed the bus too.
Huh?
What are you, a teacher?
Yeah.
Well, you got to get your lesson plan together. Because you were supposed to be here yesterday or something.
No, I'm supposed to be here on the 27th and the 31st. I have all 4 or 5 documents with me right now.
All right, let's see. GUY, what's your first name? Spell it.
DEANDRA.
31st. And then you missed on the 6th of February.
Right, and I got a new one for the 27th, which is supposed to be, I guess, the arraignment, and I think the pretrial was on the 31st. That's what my documents say. I can show them to you. I can put them in the camera if you want.
Come to me.
Okay.
Come back on the 31st.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
All right. You're
Okay.
welcome. Best. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Lopez. Mr. Lopez, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
We seek a trial date, Your Honor.
Is that what you want to do, Mr. Lopez?
Oh, yeah.
All right, I'm going to give you a trial date for the 4/20/2026. Everybody knows that date, don't they? Trial date, April the 20th, 2026 at 9 a.m., all right?
All right, then April 20th, okay, 9 a.m.
Sir, best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
All right, thank you, sir. Have a good one.
Welcome. City of Detroit versus Tiffany Lauren Owens. Case number SP 183-6881, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 183-7215, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Owens.
Where's Tiffany Owens?
Good morning.
Good morning. You indicated to the last time that you were going to get your own lawyer.
So I do, and he said he had to be in person today at another court date that I had let him know a little too late.
What is his name?
Norman Dotson.
Okay. All right. So what do you want to do with these cases?
So honestly, I don't know that's why I was trying to get my lawyer, but I just want to say this. I know that the city of Detroit likes to get money, they like to get paid. Cool. So I just want to ask this. It's 3 tickets that I got that I'm not, I had insurance. It says that I didn't have insurance.
Stop. We're not going to go about the facts of the case. I'm going to put you in the room with Mr. Berry. Go over that with him. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. What you want to do when you come out. Let's pass. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Griffin. Mr. Griffin, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, we are respectfully requesting a trial date.
All right, that's what you want to do, Mr. Griffin?
Yes, sir.
All right, I'm going to put a trial date for 4/20/2026 at 9 a.m., all right?
Okay.
All right. April the 20th at 9 a.m., Mr. Griffin, best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
You too.
Thank you. Lewis, Audie Lewis. Is that Lottie Lewis?
Yes.
Good morning to you, ma'am.
Good morning.
It's the city of Detroit. You're in a bunch of payment plans. City of Detroit versus Lottie Lewis, case number SP 1112572, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1666031, appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of Ms. Lewis, please state your name.
Lottie Lewis.
Good morning to you, ma'am. The date is the date and time, and it's set for an arraignment on the bench warrant. Purposes of arraignment, Counselor?
Purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute. Respectfully request that the warrants be recalled.
All right, we'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Lewis, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, please. Pass the matter. Oh, let's get City of Detroit versus Diamond Odell Kirkland, case number SP 1167228, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 116723001. SP 1683629, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1698590, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 170749111. SP 1717474, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 17243332. SP 1752823, counts 1, 2, and 3, in the state of Michigan versus Diamond Odell Kirkland, case number SX 3875771, counts 1 and counts 2, and SP 1550761, appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Felicity Till, P83961, appearing on behalf of Diamond Odell Kirkland, who is present with me via Zoom. Ms. Odell Kirkland, can you please state your full name for the record?
Good morning, Diamond Odell Kirkland.
Good morning, Ms. Kirkland. Day is set for a pretrial. Tell me some good news, ma'am. What's going on with your life now? Anything getting better?
Somewhat, yeah. Not as far as the housing situation, no, not yet. But I sent proof over everything, well, majority of everything that was asked of me as far as the vision statement for my future, the everything that the street advocacy, they asked me the proofs for everything.
Your Honor,
Well,
if I can't.
Let me say this. No, let me say this. So you said somewhat better, right?
I said, dude, I'm sorry.
You said somewhat better, right?
Somewhat, not really, honestly.
Well, I understand you're probably not where you exactly want to be, but I do encourage you to celebrate the wins, celebrate the victories. You're saying somewhat better, so that means something has advanced better than it was when you first came in here. And like I say, I can appreciate you're not where you want to be right now, but please celebrate the victories. Don't worry about the losses. We're all gonna have losses. All right.
I got you. Thank you. I appreciate it.
And Ms. Till?
Yes, I will say that Ms. Odell Kirkland has been very responsive, has worked really diligently with our team, and is on a really good path. And I see that she has the capability to get further in life, and I have no doubt that she will be successful in our program. Therefore, I am asking for an adjournment to April 28th at 8:30 a.m. just to allow her more time to finish the program and to complete everything on our end.
All right. Yeah, I told you, I don't know when the light is going to shine brighter. It sounds like it's getting brighter already. I know it's not shining as bright for you as you would like it. But I do encourage you to be diligent, persevere. I guarantee you, if you do those things, it will get brighter. I just cannot tell you when. All right. We're going to still be praying for you. And it's too often that we worry about what we didn't do or didn't accomplish and not celebrate what we have accomplished. You see what I'm saying?
Yes.
All right.
Everything happens for a reason. I
Say
know.
that again.
I said I appreciate it. Everything happens for a reason. So everything is it's a lesson in every blessing. It's a blessing in every lesson. So I appreciate the losses. I appreciate the wins. I appreciate everything. It makes me who I am.
All right. Well, let's keep on working, Miss Odell Kirkland, and let's get to where we obviously we'll probably never be where we need to be because we're always trying to push ourselves and set goals. But let's continue to reach those goals that we have for ourselves, and I'm guaranteeing you they will happen. All right.
Okay.
All right.
I know. Thank you.
April 28th. Is that what you said?
Correct, Your Honor.
All right, April 28th. Come back with some more good news for me. April 28th, Mr. Kirkland. I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day. All right.
Okay. Thank you too.
Let's go back on the record with Miss Tiffany Owens. Miss Owens, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
We set this matter for trial, Your Honor.
All right. That's what you want to do, Miss Owens?
Yes, sir.
Got a few more 420 dates. 420 at 9 a.m. Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you.
Don't come in here 420 friendly though.
Oh, no. I'm gonna be at work. I'm probably gonna be at work.
All right. Best of luck to you, ma'am. Have a very good rest of your day.
You too.
City of Detroit versus Shaquille Lamar Granberry, case number SP1-629-1961, SP9-315-44, counts 1 and counts 2. Can you run his license? Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Granberry.
Shaquille Granberry.
Good morning to you, sir. Day, date, and time set for arraignment on the bench warrant. Go ahead, Counselor.
Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond, Mr. Granberry, and put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, please. We'll pass the matter. What happened to Lottie Lewis? No phone. Let's go back on the record with Miss Lottie Lewis. Miss Lewis, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, we are respectfully requesting a trial date.
All right, Miss Lewis, I'm going to do this for you. I'm going to allow you to pay this one reinstatement fee up front. I don't know if this is going to be able to get you about a license, but hopefully it will, if that's what you're trying to do, which I can only imagine that's why you're here. You're going to have to come down. If you're going to pay that reinstatement fee, you're going to have to come down to the courthouse. There's no better way that I can allow you to do that, but to come down in person and bring $45 to the window, pay that reinstatement fee, go to the Secretary of State. If the Secretary of State does not give you a license, you can ask them for a printout on everything that's affecting your license, and they should give you that. I'm gonna set a trial date on, April the 20th, 2026 at 9 a.m. If you don't have any further questions, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
You too.
Thank you. City of Detroit versus Delano Deshaun Gloucester. He asked for an attorney. He asked for an appointed attorney. Did you ever get an attorney, Mr. Gloucester? City of Detroit versus Delano Deshaun Gloucester, case number SP 184-75141, SP 184-75361. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris, on behalf of defendant, please state your name.
What happened to Delano Gloucester? All right, we're gonna pass that matter. He must have dropped off.
He's in room 7 and it's notated as Ogletree behind his name.
Very well, let's pass it. All right. Good morning, Ms. Horn.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Desiree Lawrence.
I'm here, sir. It's Derice. How you doing today?
Derice, okay, I couldn't read my own writing. All right, City of Detroit, I'm well. How about yourself?
I'm all right. I can't complain.
All right, City of Detroit versus Derice Lawrence, case number SP 148044932, 1844345521, SP 132-17931, SP 1345623, counts 2 and counts 3, SP 1309391, SP 1438746, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1456233, SP 1516472, 1, SP 1569474, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 1569478, SP 1166592, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1374023, counts 1 and counts 2, 217271501. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris, on behalf of Mr. Lawrence, please state your name.
Derice Lawrence.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute. Respectfully request that the warrants be recalled.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond and recall the warrants. Mr. Lawrence, Ms. Harris is going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. And when you see the prompt, I'm going to put you in the breakout room. Join that room, speak to Ms. Harris, and you let us know what you want to do when you come out. There's one no insurance proof out of all these tickets that are not allowing him a clearance. I don't know if that'll help him get a license or not, but Ms. Harris, speak to Mr. Lawrence and let us know what you want to do when you come out. Pass the matter. All right, this is going to be yesterday's docket here. City of Detroit versus Michael Green, case number 2577568, counts 1, 2, and 3. And SP 114321221, SP 1161151, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 2706381, SP 1419515, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1430944, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 14743-102, SP 1509613. Count one, SP 1543962, counts one and counts two, SP 163197111, SP 1760605, counts one, SP 1763115, counts one and counts two, SP 1834979, counts one and counts two, SP 863343, counts one and counts two and three, 19708-167, counts one and counts two, and State of Michigan versus Michael Green, that's X 4645781. Mr. Green, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Michael Green.
All right. Do you have a, did you run his license, please? Did you go to the Secretary of State?
Yes, sir.
Now you see that one I have on the back of that?
I see Lawrence.
Lawrence,
That's
yeah.
the one.
Yeah.
Okay, it's top.
Thank
There you
you.
go. It's valid.
Yeah, all right, congratulations. You got a valid license. So I'm gonna put some work on the back, on the front end for Miss Mathis. Been a long time, hasn't it?
Man,
Feels good, doesn't it?
man, I was achieving so hard ever since I got them.
He just he want to get pulled over now.
I swear, they be
The
behind me.
license
I'm like, hit the lights, hit the lights.
Don't get smart with them.
Oh, boy, oh, boy.
Already?
Who's file? No, I don't.
You don't have it.
Hey, the Secretary of State, with this, they seem like they give anybody a license.
That's how it seems.
Oh, man, let's see. All right, that's X 464.
Judge, Mr. Carl Lindsay doesn't have a cell phone.
He doesn't.
His name is Jerome. Julie Calloway.
Okay, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna dismiss the driving license tickets for providing valid documentation. You come into court on, for trial on the rest of them on the 20th of April at 9 a.m., okay? You have any other questions? 20th of April, don't miss it this time, put it in your calendar.
I got you. I'm about to lock you in now.
Who's that license?
I got you. Appreciate it.
All right, best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
You as well.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Granberry. Mr. Granberry, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your
Mr.
Honor,
Berry?
my client will avail himself of the people's offer to allow him to enter a plea of failure to display for the driving on a suspended license, the remaining two matters to be dismissed.
You want to take the deal, Mr. Granberry?
Yes.
Can you raise your right hand, please? You swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or
Yes.
$500 in fines?
Yes, sir.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Berry went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not? Did Mr. Berry go over your other rights in the breakout room?
Yes, sir.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
Any questions about them?
No.
You know, by taking this deal, you're gonna give them up?
Yes.
You know, has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to October the 3rd, 2024 at around 3:58 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Harper and Meringue. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police
Yes, sir.
Department operating a motor vehicle?
Yes.
Officer asked you to produce a valid driver's license?
Yes.
You couldn't do so, could you?
No.
Why is that?
Because they had got suspended.
Very well. Find your client guilty as to the amended count of failure to display. It'll be a $240 fine. With stipulation of probable cause, we'll dismiss the other matters.
Stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, 240. When can you pay, Mr. Granberry? I'll waive the warrant fees. You're gonna have to pay the reinstatement fees.
Okay. Can you? I have like at least 30 days.
Come back. No, you don't have to come back. April 27th, 2026, pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. If there's nothing further, sir, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
You too. Thank you.
You're welcome. What happened to Love It? This is gonna be the city of Detroit versus Jerron Lawrence. Jerron Lawrence, case number SP 1877818, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr., on behalf of the defendant, state your full name, Mr. Lawrence.
Jerron Lawrence, you there? You have to unmute yourself, sir.
Yes, I'm here.
Good morning to you, sir. State your name for the record.
Jerron Lawrence.
All right, today is date and time set for, I'll give him a, I'll give him a, today is the date and time set for a,
Arraignment, Your Honor.
Arraignment. Go ahead. For the purposes of arraignment.
We would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
Enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Berry, go in the breakout room and speak to Mr. Lawrence. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer, Mr. Lawrence. If you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I will dismiss SP 131-89513. He paid that. All right. It's run his license if you could, please. Thank you. All right. Mr. Lawrence, when you see the prompt, join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, please. What's your
other matter on the docket, Your Honor?
There's two matters. What's your name, sir? What's his name that's going outside?
Carl Lindsay.
Carl Lindsay. Good morning to you. Are you Miss Lindsay too?
No, I'm his sister.
Your sister. All right, we'll pass the matter.
Your Honor?
You can still be Miss Lindsay and be his sister, though.
No, my name is Tony.
Your Honor, as to Mr. Lawrence.
Yes.
I'm not clear. It would appear that there's only no insurance count.
And a driver while license never acquired. He owes the court a lot of money, but those are the only two misdemeanors there. They are.
All right.
Don't see anything affecting him, but his ability to get a license either.
Okay.
All right. Pass the matter. You ready on Gloucester, Mr. Ogletree?
We're ready.
All right, let's go on City of Detroit versus Delano Deshaun Gloucester, case number SP 184-75141, SP 184-75361. Appearance for the record, please.
Aaron Ogletree, P number 69167, about for Mr. Gloucester. Mr. Gloucester, can you please state your full name?
Delano Gloucester.
Good morning to you, sir. Day is date and time set for a trial, I'm thinking. And
that stands for pre-trial.
Yeah, is it blocking traffic?
Yeah, the fail to stop at a red signal or disregard a red signal or turn is going to be reduced to blockading, and then the misdemeanor dismissed for valid documentation.
You want to take the deal, sir?
Yes.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket on behalf of your client as an accurate factual basis for that responsible plea?
Yes.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter?
Yes.
Mr. Gloucester, I'm gonna find you responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic, $175. When can you pay it?
Can I get 30 days?
pay it by 4/27/2026. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways. I can tell you, sir, if there's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you.
Thank you.
All right, you're welcome.
All right, thank
Anybody
you.
else?
All right.
You're done?
No, that's
Mr.
it, Your
Thank you,
Honor.
Mr. Overtree.
I'm done. Have a good
All right.
weekend.
All right, you have a better one. All right. City of Detroit, let's go back on the record with Mr. Lawrence. Mr. Lawrence,
You
I've
ready,
given you an
Bill?
opportunity. All right, have a good one. Mr. Lawrence, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
And we are requesting permission to pay reinstatement fees up front, and we are requesting a trial date.
Now, Mr. Who is that? If you can get a license, I know you can get a license, Mr. Lawrence.
Yes, sir.
I'm gonna allow you to pay the reinstatement fee up front. You're gonna have to come down to the window and do that. That's the only way I can allow you to do that. Come down to the window, pay the fee up front. If you don't, if you go to Secretary of State and try to get a license, if they don't give you a license, then you can ask them for a printout on everything that's affecting your license. And you have the last 420 days. 420 is over. Trial on April the 20th, 2026 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, all right?
Yes, sir. I was going to ask one thing. How much is the fee that I'll need to come down and pay?
45 right now, but you're gonna pay that whole amount, which is be 240. I'm not gonna set that default aside. I'm just allowing you to pay the 45 up front. So you might want to come down and pay that fee and then get into some kind of payment plan and take advantage of the amnesty program for the rest of it. Before you talk about amnesty though, let them make sure you pay that fee up front, all right?
So just $45.
Yes, for that, for now. Just, yeah, for now.
Okay. I'll be down there to see y'all. Thank you.
Best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
Yes, sir.
All right, this is the City of Detroit versus Nicole Levitt. Case number SP 149-11801. Appearance for the record, please.
Yes, Nicole Lovett.
Cherica Harris on behalf of the defendant.
All right, good morning to you, ma'am. Day, date, and time set for arraignment on the bench warrant. Go ahead, counselor.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute. Respectfully request that the warrants be recalled.
Are not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Levitt, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Ms. Harris. Attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you do not like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out. We'll pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Lawrence. Mr. Lawrence, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, we seek a trial date. My client has an appointment this afternoon, an arraignment.
Does he?
He has a document indicating he's due here this afternoon for an arraignment.
That's on these matters. So he's good. Maybe he wasn't even supposed to be called on this. Let's see what this other one was for. Because I did think I saw his name on the docket. All right, so the docket reads SP, we'll also call into the record SP 136416993. That was a 240 amount too. You never paid that. That's why you were here today. We rearranged you on the other stuff. So you owe 240 on that other amount. I'm gonna set that for a review. And we'll set that for a review on the same date. you come back for the trial on the 21st. That's my mom's birthday, the 21st of April at 9 a.m. And the other stuff, we arranged you on that already, so you don't have to come back at 1:30. We're gonna set those for trial on the 21st of April, okay?
Okay, thank you.
At 9 a.m. So 21st of April, you hold at 2:40 and you have a trial. You know how to pay it because you paid the other one at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, Mr. Lawrence, best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
All right, thank you.
That's why he's this afternoon. All right,
That's what we did. Okay.
that's why you couldn't find.
Alrighty.
All right. You're free to leave.
Thank you.
You're welcome. City of Detroit versus Robin Patricia Gatson, case number SP 1585609, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please. Can you run her license, please?
Over that's Larry Jr. On behalf of the defendant, state your full name, Ms. Gatson.
Robin Gatson.
Good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time set for an arraignment on the bench warrant. Go ahead, Counselor.
Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
Will enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Gatson, I'm gonna put you in, Miss Gatson, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Barry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay.
Join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, when you see the prompt.
Valid.
Her license is valid, Mr. Barry.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Oh, pass the matter. Did you give Mr. Lindsay a vice of rights form?
Yes.
All right, what is his name? Carl William Lindsay.
I called probation to get some testing results. She did say he was not testing. She didn't think it could.
Well, she didn't have any proof of him not testing. Is he got?
I told her to either Zoom in or just come over. Send my email.
So he already pled on this, or we've already ordered him to test and stuff?
Well, he set for pretrial.
But that doesn't mean that, that though.
Hold on, I gotta check this.
Have him call him back in here. Run that Waddell Latin license, please. Call him back in here. Excuse me.
Officer Wilson.
Yes. This is perfect. Yes, please.
For some reason, they did not bring a lot of these arraignment on the bench warrants. Because that's probably because of the.
Is that
overflow
Waddell?
of
Can you run that
ads.
license?
I sure will.
Please.
Hold on. I got it.
What's going on, sir? You haven't been testing?
No, I lost my phone.
That's not an excuse.
I don't have no way for them to send me no pin on.
You had a way to come back down here
And if
and
it wasn't for my foot, I would have been able to come down here.
why not?
Because I don't have no I had no transportation. I ain't been able to go to work because I ain't got my phone.
Have you ever heard of a bus? Okay. You don't think it's that important to get down here? You have an order of you testing? And you got this, and you're gonna give me an excuse But you didn't have any way to down
No
here?
excuse, but if it
It
was,
is an excuse. And it's a simple excuse. I don't have a phone.
they say they gotta send you a text message for you to come in, so I wouldn't know what days to come in.
Okay, I got that.
Okay.
But as soon as you lost your phone, you knew before you lost your phone that these people were gonna call you. You knew that was the order of the court. And then as soon as you lost your phone, now you know you're not gonna be able to get a call. What's the first thing you should have done? Come down here some kind of way. Because we can keep you down here. Have you ever tested?
No.
All right, get my phone back from him. You just sit there and wait. All right. All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Gatson. Ms. Gatson, I'll give you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client has shown valid insurance. We'd seek dismissal.
Very good. All right, Ms. Gatson, I'm going to dismiss your cases for providing valid documentation. If it's nothing further, ma'am, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, all right?
Thank you.
Waive the warrant fees.
Thank you.
Guy is set for 3:31, Judge.
3:31.
Yeah, he came in early, or she. And here, this is for Carl Williams, from the probation officer.
All right.
It's a motion affidavit. And some testing sheets.
Gibson. Van Ark, Malik Gibson, are you there?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, have you been in front? You have too. Have you been testing?
Testing.
Testing.
Testing for what, Your Honor?
Oh, he just caught this. City of Detroit versus, has a lawyer been, has he been in contact with you?
No, Your Honor.
All right, we need to get his lawyer, find out who his lawyer is and get him, please. All right, well, give me a minute. We're gonna get that lawyer for you now.
All right.
City of Detroit, Mr. Berry versus Ericine Giovanelli Flack, case number SP 176-38701. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Giovanni Ello Flack.
It's Eris Giovanello Flack.
All right, good morning to you, ma'am. Sorry about the mispronunciation of your name. Day, date, and time, and it is set for
Arraignment, Your Honor.
Arraignment. Go ahead, counsel, for purposes of arraignment.
We would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
And we'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Flack, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room. Mr. Berry is gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Thank you.
Welcome. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. Let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Levette. Ms. Levette, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do? Get him set
There's a
up.
recommendation to dismiss as she
100.
paid a related civil infraction.
I'm just gonna refer.
Okay. Ms. Lovett, I'll dismiss the case for paying related civil infraction. All right, Ms. Yes, and I'm gonna dismiss the case for paying a related civil infraction. I will waive the warrant fee.
Ask for O'Driscoll.
All right, have a great day, ma'am. Best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you. You as well.
You're welcome. City of Detroit versus Waddell Gladney III, case number 204-57842, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Waddell Gladney.
All right, good morning to you.
On behalf of Mr. Gladney.
All right, good morning to you. Day is date and time set for a
Arraignment. For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute. Respectfully request that the warrants be recalled.
a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. I do have a valid driver's license for Mr. Gladney. Mr. Gladney, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. Let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Flack. Ms. Flack, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
We seek a trial date, Your Honor.
Is that what you want, Ms. Flack?
Yes, sir.
All right, 4/21/2026 at 9 a.m. If it's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Let's call the city of Detroit versus Glenn Stubring Lot. This is not the right one. Let me see.
About to print it.
Mhm. Case numbers SP 179-7677, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr., on behalf of the defendant, state your full name, Mr. Lott.
Glenn Lott.
Good morning to you, sir. Day is date and time set for a arraignment. Go ahead, counselor.
We would waive the reading of the information and stand mute, Your Honor.
Well, enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. I do have a disregard the red signal. I would allow Mr. Lott to be heard on that. If the city has no objection, Mr. Lott, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay.
When you see the prompt, join the room and let us know what you want to do when you come out.
Yes, sir.
Pass the matter. A16, can you unmute yourself and start your camera and state your name, please? Good morning to you, sir. What is your name, sir?
Lewis.
Say that again.
Earl Lewis.
Yeah, you missed it yesterday too.
Yes, sir. I was just calling about that. So,
This file, Earl Lewis's file, so. Yesterday,
Okay, yeah, I sent some down for Kate.
you did. All right, I'll reset it.
All right.
All these cases and
so I got some money for these tickets.
Okay, that's fine. I can't.
Going through it.
come back April 21st. April 21st at 9 a.m. Don't miss it this time.
I swear I want April 21st. Last week.
At 9 a.m.
Okay.
Best of luck to you.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome. Can we get Horn back in here, please?
Okay, so text. Yeah, Taylor was gonna do Gibson.
Oh, man. I don't know how that happened. Now, you didn't know. All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Vicky Latrice Lavore. Strike that. State of Michigan versus Vicky Latrice Lavore. Case number SX4643948. Counts 1, 2, and 3. Ms. Lavore, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Vicky Lavore.
All right. Good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for a trial. Ms. Mathis, can I get that file, please?
Okay.
Is there an officer Samsel or Trooper Samsel? All right. Trooper Samso, or Dane Smith. Trooper Dane Smith. Do I have a Dane Smith here? Not hearing any officers respond and not seeing any of those officers on my list. I am going to, on the court's own motion, dismiss your cases for no officer. All right, Ms. Balfour?
Thank you, sir.
If there's nothing further, best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
You too. Bye.
You're welcome. All right, we're just waiting on an attorney to come out. I'll try to get rid of the people that I know don't need one as best I can. Miss Jessica Gross, are you there?
Yes, I am.
You have to turn your camera on, ma'am. Good morning. Do you have valid insurance?
Yes.
Can you show it to the court now? Can you show a copy of your insurance to the court now?
1 second, I have to go log into it on my phone.
All right, why don't you send it? I'm gonna send you my my email address. Why don't you send it directly to my email address and we can get you out of here, okay?
Okay.
All right, check the chat and check the email, take a screenshot and send it to me, okay?
Okay.
Anthony Martinez. What did she say?
She said, okay, she's gonna find somebody.
Anthony Martinez.
Great.
Jeffrey Gaboldo.
Yes, sir.
Jeffrey Gaboldo's file. Good morning to you. This is
Good
the
morning,
city
sir.
of versus Jeffrey Scott Boldo, case number, strike that. This is the state of Michigan versus Jeffrey Scott Boldo, case number SX 4645183, counts 1, 2, and 3. State your name for the record, please.
Jeffrey Scott Galboldo.
Good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time set for a trial. Is there an officer or trooper? Trooper Dang. I've seen him before. He's appeared before. I don't see him in here. I don't see him in any of the breakout rooms, and I do not have him on my list as checked in. Mr. Garboldo, I'm going to dismiss your cases for no officer. If it's nothing further, best of luck to you, and have a very good rest of your day. All right.
Yes, Your Honor. I thank you so much, and enjoy your weekend too. Thank you.
You as well. Best of luck to you.
Thank you, sir. Bye-bye.
Anthony Martinez, good morning to you.
Yeah, Frank Gamboa.
Necesitas interpreter.
Sí, por favor.
¿Cómo se llama usted?
Frank Gamboa.
Frank Gamboa.
Sí.
Frank Anthony Gamboa.
Sí.
April 10th.
Yeah.
10th of April. DS April.
Okay.
All right, you're gonna get it. You all right? You got it?
Yeah, I got it.
April 10th. Be safe. April 10th at 8:30.
Okay. Yeah, okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Gladney. Mr. Gladney, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, this is a dismissal.
Yes, Your Honor, we stipulate to probable cause.
Just 1 second.
All right. Hold. I got everything I need. All right. With that stipulation, I'm gonna dismiss your cases, and I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do this for you, sir. I'm gonna resentence you on this no ops. I'll resentence you to $240. I'll bring you back up to I'll bring you down to what we do now. You already paid $350. You already paid
40.
What, 120? 120. So I'll bring you back. You pay another 120, and then that'll be closed out. All right.
Okay, thank you. Is that for both of them? Because I have two I put.
The two of them are dismissed. You had one. It was 435. You paid the 120, so I gave you credit for the 120. You pay another 120 because I resentenced you to the 240, and then you owe $245 reinstatement fees. So 120 plus $245 reinstatement fees. I'm waiving the warrant fees. If you don't have anything further, sir, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day. You got it together?
Yeah. I'm just trying to make sure because I had a non-public I paid I was paying $240. I had 2 tickets they made me pay for.
On the non-public, I brought you back down. I believe that's the non-public. I brought you back down. Yes, no, that's a no ops. No, the non-public, I don't know because I don't, it's nothing there I see there on the non-public. On the no ops, the old no ops.
That's the one you brought down for me.
I brought you back down to 120 now. It should show 120 and then it'll close out once you pay the 120. And then you owe the $45 reinstatement fees on the 2 I just dismissed. I waived the warrant fees on those.
Okay.
So 20 plus 45 plus 45. So 120 plus 90 is 210, I think.
20 and 90, yes, sir. Okay.
All right. Best of luck to you, sir. Have a very good rest of your day.
You too.
Thank you. City of Detroit versus Joy Galloway, case number SP1314907-1, SP1490362, counts 1 and counts 2, SP1514664-1, SP162764111, SP1690759, counts 1 and counts 2, SP1869624, counts 1, 2, and 3 of the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Joy Galloway.
Sheriff Harris, on behalf of Ms. Galloway and for purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute. Respectfully request that the warrants be recalled.
Will enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Galloway, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Thank you.
Right. When you see the prompt, join the room and let us know what you want to do when you come out.
Okay.
Pass them out. I think I have everything I need, Ms. Knox.
Okay.
And as soon as we get Mr. Gibson, we get you an attorney, all right? Jessica Gross. Jessica Gross, you indicated that I haven't gotten that document yet.
It's in the chat.
Is in the chat?
Yes.
I told you to email it to me.
Oh, my bad.
The chat, we'll see if I can just print it out in the email. Let me see if I can. I don't know if I can print it out here.
Let me see.
Let's see here. Yeah, I can't even see it.
Okay, 1 second.
I got it. Oh, you're not here for that. You've already paid that. You're here because you didn't pay and you paid now. City of Detroit versus Jessica Gross, case number SP103-72502. Ms. Gross, state your name for the record, please.
Jessica Gross.
I'll put it in here then. Yeah. All right. Day is date and time set for a show cause. I'm in there, not guilty plea on your behalf, give you a $0 bond. And at this time, I'm going to dismiss this case because it's paid, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you, Barry.
All right, and you see that you have some type of hearing. I don't know if that's an informal hearing in front of or a formal hearing. Let me see what that is on that speeding ticket that they allege that you did.
Yeah, it's supposed to have been dismissed, and then they talking about it was reissued. So I have to go back to court on the 23rd of April.
You got it. This case is dismissed, ma'am, in front of me. Best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
You too. Thank you.
Welcome. It's Jacob G. Neely here, Marilyn Gibson, Maurice Gibson, Lily, William Lofton. Is William Lofton here? And Lucci. None of those people showed, right? Those officers can go. Let's go back on the record. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Glenn Lott. Mr. Lott, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, the people have no objection to setting aside the default, and my client requires a trial. I'm placing his number in the chat.
And he needs an appointed attorney?
Yes, Your Honor.
I think I have his number. That's the number that you called in on, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, I'm gonna set a pretrial date of 4/20. I got 4/20 pretrial dates all day. Pretrial date is gonna be April the 20th, 2026. That date is set so that we can make sure that an appointed attorney gets in contact, has an opportunity to get in contact with you. I need you to answer the phones you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by next court date of April 20th, we'll get one appointed to you on the spot, okay?
Okay.
If there's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
All right, you do the same, please.
Thank you. Thank you. City of Detroit versus Jeremy Goodlett. Case number SP1389661, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP139801. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Goodlett.
Jeremy Jacob Goodlett.
All right, good morning to you, sir.
Good morning.
I believe you've done me before, haven't you?
Yeah, I just gotta pay the fees that I had. You know, I had my family situation going on, so I've been kind of just getting back to it. But I will take care of it this week.
You still owe that? I think
It's 256. Yeah, I gotta give you 256.
No.
Right.
Oh, I don't see the 256. I see. I think I allowed you to pay the reinstatement fee up front at one time. Yeah, I did. And
How much? What's my total then?
$90 reinstatement fees. All right, Mr. Berry, I'm gonna go put you in a breakout room with Mr. Goodlett. Attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. That's $45 reinstatement fee for the reckless, and no insurance proof, $45 reinstatement fee. Pass the matter.
Good morning, Your Honor. I apologize, but I do have to be in Judge Yancey's courtroom on on another matter.
Good morning, sir. Take your hat off, please. What is your name?
Maurice Gibson.
Maurice Gibson. He almost missed the bus. Okay, Ms. Till, have a very good weekend. Best of luck to you. If he shows up, we'll get back in contact.
Mr. Gilliam is on the Zoom.
Oh, well, you should have mentioned that. I didn't know. I thought you were looking for a Stanley.
I was. He has not yet appeared, but I was going to ask for an adjournment in his matter.
Oh, I didn't know that you were waiting on Mr. Gilliam. All right, City of Detroit versus William Gilliam. Case number SP150-25941. SP15, strike that, SP150-281, SP1167487, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP1612471, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP1619971, counts 2 and counts 3. SP1627328, counts 1 and counts 2. SP1627367, SP1633940, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP1663231, SP 1687010, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1747001, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1752041, SP 1752102. SP 1764530, SP 1764536, SP 1822041, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 1845056, SP 9836581, 18 445487, 19 502948, counts 1 and counts 2. 19 50616661, 207 220541. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Felicity Till, P83961, appearing on behalf of William Gilliam, who is with me via Zoom. And we are, Mr. Gilliam has been participating in our program. He has been working diligently with our caseworkers. He's been very responsive. I have no doubt that he will be successful. And therefore, I'm asking for an adjournment till April 28th at 8:30.
All right. Mr. Gilliam, state your name for the record, please.
William Gillum.
Gillum. Yes.
Gillum.
All right. And Mr. Gillum, I hope everything is getting better for you. Is it?
Oh, it is.
All right. I'm happy for that. But a lot of your stuff is self-inflicted. You know that?
I know. Some I should have took care of a long time ago.
No, but it's also it's just something that you should have learned and grew from. All of these. Now I know they're allegations, so I'm not going to say that you're actually guilty of it. But all these open alcohol and the motor vehicle driver tickets, self-inflicted.
Right.
All right. Well, I'm glad to hear things are going well for you and better. I will allow him to pay a reinstatement fee on these 2 no insurance proofs, $45 a piece. You've heard it. You got to bring that into the court. There's no better way I can allow you to do that.
Okay.
Your Honor, he is a participant in Street Outreach Court Detroit.
I understand that, but it's just, these are fees that I don't have any discretion on waiving.
Understood.
All right, and what is that, April the
28th.
April the 28th, 2026 at 8:30. Mr. Gilliam, if it's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you. That's one I've just printed out, William Gilliam.
Yeah.
All right,
Appreciate it, Judge Perkins.
You're welcome. All right, Miss Tilly, do you know a Sierra Gilliam?
No, it sound familiar, but I don't.
All right. Well, all right. Have a good day. And Ms. Till, I'm sorry, I didn't know that was you were waiting on Mr. Gilliam. You should have spoke up a while ago.
All right, thank you. And then for Mr. Gray, can I ask for an adjournment in that one as well?
Mr. Ray, have you spoken with him? Gray, Stanley Gray. Yeah, I've seen him before. He comes. All right, we'll get you that on that, and we'll give him one more chance. All right.
What would be the date on that one?
Same day.
Okay. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. I'll see you soon, and Mr. Gilliam, have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you.
You too. Thank you, Ms. High.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Jeremy Goodlett. Mr. Goodlett, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
We seek a trial and the appointment of counsel, Your Honor. His number is in the chat.
Since I've been doing it for everyone else, Mr. Goodlett, I'm gonna allow you to pay this fee up front. $1, and that potentially could set you up to get a valid license if you don't already have one. I'm gonna give you a pre-trial date on April the 20th, 2026 at 8:30. I need you to answer the call. You don't recognize one of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by your next court date, then we'll get one appointed to you on the spot, okay?
Okay, thank you. I appreciate you.
Come down here and pay that fee up front in
Yep,
person.
I'm about to come to. All right, thank you.
Best of luck to you.
All right, appreciate you.
Yes, he's here. He's not late because of traffic. He's not late because of traffic. What kind of traffic did you get in to make you an hour and a half late? I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear it. You didn't get up early enough. There it is, right? That's all it is too. Why you say that? You sound like a good excuse, huh? All right. Mr. Till, you back? And Mr. Gibson can't give me that story either. Maurice Gibson, because he's on Zoom. All right, who are up next? Dominique Green, this is the city of Detroit versus Dominique Green, case number SP 1688614, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1753566, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Green.
Dominique Green.
All right, good morning to you, ma'am. Day is date and time set for a arraignment on the bench warrant. Go ahead, counselor.
Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Green, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, please. Pass the matter. Your officer is here. And Mr. Gibson's, wait a minute. Yeah. One of your officers is here as well, Mr. Gibson. Do you know a Marilyn Gibson? It's all Gibsons here. All your cousins are here today.
No, I'm not familiar with those Gibsons.
All right. Stanley Gray. You can put that in Jessica. You could have put it in her file.
Jessica Brooks, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's go back on the record with Ms. Galloway. Ms. Galloway, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, we are respectfully requesting a trial date and permission to pay any reinstatement fees up front if there are any.
I see 2 refees need to be paid up front. I'll set a trial date for April the 21st, 2026 at 9 a.m. Pay those, come down to the courthouse, pay those refees up front, and then go to the Secretary of State. Once you go to the Secretary of State, see if they'll give you a valid license. If they won't give you a valid license, ask them for a printout. They should give you a printout of everything that's affecting your license. If it's nothing further, Ms. Galloway, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day. Your next court date is April the 21st, 2026 at 9 a.m. Best of luck to you.
Thank you. Could you tell me the amount of the REAP fees that I have to pay?
$45 a piece, two of them, $90.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You have a good weekend.
You have a better one. Thank you. Lynch. Brandon James Lynch, are you there?
Yes, Your Honor. Good morning.
Morning to you. City of Detroit versus Brandon James Lynch, case number SP1 8685550, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris on behalf of Mr. Lynch, please state your name for the record.
Brandon Lynch.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
Enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf will give a client a $0 bond. Mr. Lynch, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Yes, sir.
Room, pass the matter. Officers Goins and Investigator Farquharson, good morning to you. You're free to leave. The William Lofton never appeared, and Stanley Gray never appeared. Be safe out there. Have a very good rest of your day, and have a good weekend.
Thank you so much, Your Honor. Have a great weekend and day.
Thank
you, Your Honor. You have a good one.
Thank you. What about Mr. Gibson's appointed attorney? Nothing yet? I don't know what happened to her. Didn't she call in? Die?
I know.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Lynch. Mr. Lynch, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do? Where's Lynch's file?
Respectfully requesting a trial date, Your Honor.
Lynch, okay, thank you. All right, trial date, sir, is going to be April the 21st, 2026 at 9 a.m., okay?
Yes, sir.
All right, best of luck to you, sir. Have a very good rest of your day.
You too.
Thank you. City of Detroit, Ms. Harris, versus Maurice Gibson. Case number SP 1347216, counts 1 and counts 3. SP 146447071. SP 1842554, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 184259111. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris, on behalf of Mr. Gibson, please state your name for the record.
Maurice Gibson.
Mr. Gibson, good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for a trial. I do have Officer Reed here. I think that's the officer that I have for Mr. Gibson. The other officers are Hampton is retired. Hudgens did not appear. Ms. Harris, give Mr. Gibson an updated offer. Keep in mind, Mr. Gibson, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to.
The defense would move to dismiss on the matters where the officers failed to appear.
Yeah, okay. Join the room, sir. Good morning, Officer Reed. Can you put your name, badge number, department for the record for Mr. Maurice Gibson, please? Let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Green, Ms. Dominique Green. I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail herself of the people's offer to allow her to enter a plea to being in the park once closed on the basis of a 3-month delayed sentence. The remaining matters to be dismissed.
Do you want to take the deal, ma'am?
Yes.
You understand, raise your right hand, please. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 90 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. I mean, strike that. Raise your right hand. I'm sorry. Do you understand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth? Raise your right hand, please. You swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
And now you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines, correct?
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial.
Yes.
Mr. Berry went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes.
Understood those rights?
Yes.
Any questions about those rights? Do you have any questions about those rights?
No.
You know, by taking this deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anyone offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to strike that. July the 9th, 2025 at around 3:02 a.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Atwater and Shane. Were you in that area around that date and that time?
Yes.
And what's that over there?
What part?
A park, city of Detroit Park, correct?
Yes.
All right, I'm gonna find her guilty as charged it's to 10 o'clock, the park's closed, you're in the park after that time. Guilty, what is this, a 3-month delay, Mr. Berry?
Yes, Your Honor.
Fine you $240. You have to pay it by June 29th, 2026. If you don't get any other trouble like that, and you pay it by that time, then we'll dismiss the case. So June 29th, 2026. You also owe $145 on an old expired plate. You know that?
Yeah, I see it.
All right, so you need to probably take care of that. Hopefully you can take care of that before the amnesty ends, so you don't incur any other late fees, all right?
Okay.
Anything further, ma'am?
No, what day was it on June or what?
29th, come back. You don't have to come back if you haven't gotten any other trouble and you paid it, all right?
So you saying if it's paid by June the 29th, like don't worry about it?
If you pay it by June 29th and don't be in the park after dark again, or don't get another ticket in that time, then we'll dismiss the case. You don't have to show back up.
Okay.
All right, best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
Okay, you too.
Thank you. City of Detroit versus Jacob Eugene G. Neely. Case number SP 1631798, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr., on behalf of the defendant, state your full name, sir.
Jacob Eugene Dwayne G. Neely Jr.
Good morning to you.
Morning.
You said Jacob, what's his name?
Jacob G. Neely. This is Officer M. Brown. Good morning to you. Can you state your name, badge number, department for the record, please?
Officer Melvin Brown, badge 1586, Detroit Police Department.
Good morning to you. Mr. Berry, give Mr. Neely an updated offer. Keep in mind, Mr. Neely, if you do not like the offer, you have the day as the date and time set for a trial. I'm gonna put you in the breakout room, Mr. Berry. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. Join the room, Mr. Berry. He's in there. Let's go back. Let's pass that matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Maurice Gibson. Officer Reed, good morning to you. Can you state your name, badge number, department for the record, please?
Officer Reed, badge 457, Detroit Police Department, 12 Precinct.
All right, very good. What's going to happen with the cases, Miss Harris?
Your Honor, he was able to present valid insurance and registration.
All right. What about this accident?
Your Honor, I didn't know about that.
Yeah, accident. I don't know why it's on there. Formal hearing. Go back and see what the city is going to offer him on that.
Okay.
Pass the matter. Return to the breakout room, Mr. Gibson.
Okay.
Do you really have a valid license? Then Gibson, no word. Can you call her again? See what's happening? I don't know what's taking so long. All right, Mr. Gibson, I appreciate your patience. I think we've identified a lawyer. I think they're trying to call him and get him in here now. So give me a few more minutes, please.
All right.
Attorney Ragnar's here, Judge.
Thank you.
And
All right.
I want you to
All right,
know.
Mr.
That's okay. 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 Yes, his name is Eric.
All right, let's go back on the record. Hold on.
Let's see, Judge, he's zooming in, Attorney Ragnar.
He's here. I'm waiting on him to
He said
come.
he has a medical appointment, so he's dressed a little different.
All right.
He said, okay. Okay.
Attorney Ragnar, you can, if you can unmute yourself, please.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning to you. This is the City of Detroit versus Van Ark Malik Gibson, case number SP 1843771, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 1843776, counts 1 and counts 2, and Z8099831. Appearance for the record, please.
Morning, Your Honor. Samuel A. Ragdon, P23-157, on behalf of Mr. Gibson. Mr. Gibson, if you would state your full name for the court.
Van Eric Malik Gibson.
All right. Good morning to you, sir. This is going to be your attorney moving forward. This new case is a OWI case. I'm gonna set the bond once you come back and get acquainted with Mr. Ragnar. Mr. Ragnar, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Gibson. You two get acquainted, and then we'll get you out of here and get you a new date. All right.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you, and I apologize for my attire.
No worries.
Thank you.
And Your Honor, this is the people just checking on the Gibson file that Mr. Ragnon is on. The Z ticket, is the full file in the case file, Your Honor?
No, it's not.
Okay, and the Z number?
Strike that. 8099831.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor. And also one last check-in. Did a defendant Lily check in today, Charvet Lily, at 9 a.m.?
I tried to send Sherman out of here, but he never did respond.
Thank you, Your Honor. I'll let him know. Thank you so much.
Mr. Lindsay is sitting outside of the lab getting ready to drop.
All right. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Gibson. Mr. Gibson, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client is going to admit responsibility to the amended charge of blocking traffic with the remaining matters dismissed.
Want to take the deal, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an actual basis, hopefully on your client's behalf.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matters.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Find your client responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic, $175. When can you pay?
And next Friday.
All right, pay it, pay it by April the 6th, Monday. Pay it at
Okay.
any kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse, pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. Nothing further, sir. I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest. You're welcome. That'll done. Let's go back on the record with Mr. G. Neely. Mr. G. Neely, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, and want to do.
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's offer to allow him to enter a plea to allowing for the driving on a suspended license, the insurance matter to be dismissed.
You want to take the deal, Mr. G. Neely?
Yes, sir.
All right, come on in the courtroom, please. All right, come on up. Right here. Raise your right hand, please. Do you swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
All right, you can put your hand down. You understand? You read this, you signed this form? You read it? You understand the rights on this form? You have any questions about them? You know you're gonna be giving them up when you take this deal? Have anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record? No. Let me draw your attention back to October the 8th, 2024, at around 4:34 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of 7 Mile and Eureka. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Operating a motor vehicle?
Yes.
Officer asked you to produce a valid driver's license?
Yes.
Couldn't do so, could you? Why is that?
Never happened.
Very well. Find your client guilty as to the amended count of allowing $240 as the fine. Stipulation to probable cause will dismiss the other matter now.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
$240. I'll waive the warrant fee. When can you pay? You got $240 today?
Today, give it like 2 weeks.
Date on it. Put a date on it.
It's calendar right there.
April's what?
7 for 8.
Put a date on it.
7.
April 7th. Now you said it, all right? April 7th, pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. You pay it, we'll dismiss the case, all right? All right, Mr. McNeely, go ahead back home and go to sleep.
Thank you.
All
Have a
right,
good day, sir.
all right, Mr. Officer Brown, you be safe out there. Have a very good rest of your day. You want some paperwork?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, I'll bring it to you.
All right. He's been 420 friendly already before he got here. He's so I ain't hear what I said. Right, Mr. Neely? You know what 420 is, don't you?
Like we. Just said you were 420 friendly today
before you got
before
here.
your ride. Oh no, I just woke up at 9:20. I left Water for like an hour wait. Waterford's right outside of Pontiac, right?
Yeah. How old are you?
22.
Yeah, he was 420 before he got here. He keep on telling these lies.
No, I didn't smoke today.
Oh, that's just something from his
last night.
Man, that's powerful stuff there. Okay.
So say you had Fruity Pebbles and 420.
You know it.
Then traffic.
You know it's powerful.
And then traffic was backed up, sir.
Traffic.
That's terrible.
Crap.
So he's getting ready to actually drop right now. He don't know if it's something.
They're gonna send her back up. He got to come back up here. That's not his sister. Yeah.
He must listen to her.
That lame excuse about.
Okay, so we're gonna take that money. Okay. Okay.
You getting him paperwork, Miss Mathis?
Yes, I have it in my hand. I'm just about to print it.
I'm sorry.
No, you're fine. You're fine, Judge. All right.
Yeah.
You're fine,
That's
Judge.
the edgy.
Well, why don't you have a license?
Oh, I'm edgy.
No, we joking. No, we joking.
I've been driving since like 15. I think I have like.
You don't want to tell everybody that. There's some things you don't need to say. I said, why don't you have a license? What about them? Are you still have warrants?
Yeah, but I took care of a lot of them. Probably got like Westland, Garden City, Inkster.
All those right next
All
to each
over
other.
the place.
Those right next to it. That's one of the circle right there.
You from Pontiac to Westland?
Yep.
No, I'm from Wayne County. But
He said Westland, Inkster, and Garden City. All those are right next to each other.
Here you go, Mr. G. Lilly. I gave you some zone instructions. I was just waiting for it to come out. So you can zone in.
And Westland.
Execute.
Wayne too.
All right.
Thank
Have
you.
a good one, sir.
Have a good day, sir.
So young. 22. He showed that jacket is.
It's reeking.
It's reeking.
I told you.
He said he didn't do it today.
I believe you
He
too.
said last night.
You need that jacket steamed.
Huh? Everybody's so laid back.
It was 94.
No, you can come out 75.
Yeah, coming from Waterford. That's right. Or straight down Telegraph.
Oh, my these kids smoke so
Well,
much.
Telegraph
Well,
wouldn't
no,
get
that
them
would be
here.
Woodward. Yeah, you come down Woodward.
Yeah, you come down Woodward, probably. Love it. Not just the kids,
You said not just the kids,
No.
the grandparents?
all of them.
Oh, sure.
You said what? Oh, we got Mr. Lindsay.
Oh, yeah, I don't. That's right. Mr. Lindsay got to come back. Okay, speed back to water.
Oh, this is water. This is a limoncello water.
Good.
I like the Freud. You know, I try not to drink pop. So I'll be drinking these.
It's the same thing, isn't it?
Yeah, I was going to say, is any
It's
sugar in
just
it?
water.
There's
No,
no sugar
I
in it?
thought it was carbonated though.
It is carbonated.
So is,
It's lemon.
how much sugar does it have in it?
It's zero fat, zero sodium,
Oh, okay.
and it's got like the lemon scent to it.
So no sugar, it's not sweet?
No. It has like flavor to it. I like this brand. I like this flavor.
Mhm.
Sometimes I pour this in my lemonade. because I love it.
Is it a substitute sweetener or just no sweetness?
It's
at all?
no, it's sweetener, zero calories, zero something.
You finished it off?
What you mean?
Did you finish drinking it?
So
I wanted to read the ingredients.
Okay.
Curious.
But you saying it's just like drinking pop because of the carbonation?
Yeah, in a sense, but it's you don't have the sugar though.
Yeah. They say carbonation is not really good.
So the carbonation and the sugar is bad.
Well, they say it's a carbonation kind of messes with your stomach.
Your stomach,
Oh, because of the acid.
Yeah. It bothered my stomach. I used to drink a lot of
sparkling.
What'd you drink, Judge? You
Pepsi.
Pepsi.
I had a Pepsi. So strong.
It used to didn't bother my stomach. It does now.
Pepsi?
Any pop, if I drink too much of it.
Never been a fan of Pepsi or ranch dressing.
Really? This thing ranch dressing was so good to me. I had to have.
I like making my own ranch for some reason, like homemade ranch.
You like it watery or thick?
Even. Yeah, I like making it at home. For some reason, when you make it from
It's better to
scratch,
make it from scratch.
yeah, it tastes better.
There's my nephew.
You play baseball?
Number 3. My cousin.
Where do you play?
He plays at Michigan.
And if he at Michigan, that means he can go to the minors.
He already got drafted.
Yeah, he
twice.
already.
He already got drafted
He
twice.
got drafted out of high school.
He pretty good.
How much was they gonna pay him for that?
You know something? My cousin told me that the first contract they were gonna give him $500,000. But he didn't know about that.
About the $500,000?
Yeah, because his wife, they got divorced.
You said his wife.
Yeah, his ex-wife now. They got divorced.
This guy is. It was about this.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Gibson. Mr. Gibson, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, I would ask the court if they would reschedule this for a final pretrial. I believe my client and I want to go through all of the charges that he has, which will give me more time to do that, see the evidence. But I ultimately think we'll get it resolved at that final treatment.
Absolutely. Now, I'm going to give you as for race for bond, sir. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to give you a $500 personal bond. I'm going to have you start testing 1 time per week. I'm going to order you not to leave the state of Michigan without the court's permission, and I'm going to order you not to drink during the pendency of this case. I'm going to refer this matter to probation. And to facilitate the bond, I'm going to give you the number to probation. When you get a pen, let me know.
Okay, I'm ready.
313-965-3414. 313-965-3414. You shouldn't have to call them. They should call you. I do need a telephone number for you.
Ready, sir?
Yes. I'm ready.
947-363-3193.
All right. Give you that number so that if you see, I expect to test once per week, 1 time per week. I don't expect to test this week because it's Friday. I do expect to test by next week. If you find yourself.
What is this test, sir? I'm sorry. What is the test? I'm just new to me.
Test for alcohol to see if you've been drinking. No drinking.
Oh, yeah, no, yeah, that should be easy.
It should be easy. Are you in the state of Michigan? You are.
Yes, sir.
So I expect to test next week, and I expect to ever test 1 week, once a week thereafter. If there's a positive test, then we're going to have a problem. If there's a test where it's diluted, we're going to have a problem. And if there's a missed test, we're going to have a problem. But as long as the tests are negative, we won't have any problem.
Okay.
And if I give you the number to probation, just so that you have a number, you know how to get in contact with the court, so that if you find yourself coming to the end of the week and nobody from probation has called you, I want you to be proactive instead of just sitting back and saying nobody ever called. That's why I did this. All right.
Okay.
All right. Anything further, Mr. Gibson?
And where do I test? Like, where is it located?
Well, you're going to hook that up with probation. They can either have you outside, have you test down here. That's going to be between you and probation. Okay.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. If there's nothing further, I do appreciate your patience, sir. I think you're in good hands with Mr. Ragnow, and I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
You as well. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Your Honor. Madam Clerk, thank you. Have a great day.
Let me, hold on, Mr. Ragnow. Hold on 1 second.
Yes.
Did Carl Williams have an attorney? He was supposed to get an appointed to counsel. Yeah, see who that. All right. It's a form in there. Well, I wrote it on there. I don't know if it's a form.
I want to do Mr. Ragnow.
Good morning, sir. What is your name, please?
Paris Gloucester.
Who in Gloucester?
Paris Gloucester. You told me to come in to when I completed my community service.
Give me your spell your last name in 1 second. All right, I'm ready.
Gloster.
First name Paris?
Yes, sir.
Good morning to you.
How you doing today, sir?
Oh, did you send that stuff in to Miss Sheldon?
I went and completed my community service that you requested.
Did you send it in to Miss Shelton?
No, I wasn't told to send it to nobody. I went to took it back to the place to
It
Southwest.
oh, you Southwest Detroit?
Yes, yes,
Mr. Phillips?
yes, sir.
How many hours did you do?
The 6 that you requested, I did.
Hand me that, please.
They also gave me this paperwork right here with the signature. But he also took a copy of it and said he was gonna send it somewhere. So that's probably what you referring to.
I just call him. I just text him. I see you have that. Now you still have these other cases open, right? That was just to make sure that you, that was just so that you could see if you can get a license after that. Your next court date is on the 30th. So I'm gonna put this in right now. See if you can go to the Secretary of State today. Ms. Mathis, can you close that out? That one, see if you can go to the Secretary of State today.
Okay.
Sometimes if you go on that Secretary of State website and you put in there your information and stuff like that, and they take you to that appointment screen, there's a little tip. Sometimes you could just keep on refreshing that screen and you'll see a date pop up right then.
Okay. Okay.
But you got to get it quick because as soon as somebody puts it in, it's going to go away. But it's going to go away once you press on it. So see if you can go to the Secretary of State today and get that, and see if you can get a license, because we'll take that and put it in there now.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Best of luck to you, Mr. Gloucester. Have a very good rest of your day.
You as well.
I was seeing, Mr. Ragnow, we have another case, excuse me, drunk driving. I don't know who the attorney is. I was going to see if you were appointed to that one as well.
Well, I'm available, Your Honor, if needed.
Go through this? Huh? Go through that. It doesn't, it's nothing to talk about. Go through it every time. Let's not do that. I don't care about easy.
I know. Yeah, I have another appointment for Carl Williams. The first one you did, this one I don't believe you did, but Mr. Radman is still.
He got the starting position. Did he bump somebody?
No, well, the guy is going to international play. So he's going back to his country to for the World Cup tryouts. Did she say okay? For Ragnow? All right. All right, there's another case here. He's taking his drug test now. He's been in here before, and he's supposed to have been testing. He hasn't tested at all, and he's taking the test now, and he's kind of like, you know, he's telling me that he didn't test because he lost his phone, and I'm telling him that's no excuse. He should have come down here and let us know something. He's telling me he didn't have a way. You have a bus, you can get on the bus if anything.
Yeah.
It's like, so you probably have to babysit him, I guess.
Okay, not a problem, Your Honor. Yeah, he just gave it to me. Thank you. Okay, well, I'll just wait. I do have to leave at 12 o'clock, Your Honor, for
We should be out of here way before then.
Okay, Your Honor.
Down there, it's testing now. So we're gonna, as soon as he comes back up, we'll get him out of here and we'll get you connected with them.
All right. Thank you very much, Your Honor. And
thank you very much.
Madam Clerk, thank you. Your Honor.
Yes.
Sorry to interrupt, but I don't think I got a court date for Mr. Gibson. Or I didn't write it down.
You didn't probably. April the 20th. I'm sorry. Yeah.
Oh, that's okay. It's
April the 20th. I'm sorry.
I'm separating the files. What was this for trial?
No, it was the last one I had, Van Art Gibson.
There. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna separate. Is this set for trial?
No, pre-trial.
Okay, pre-trial.
Van Art Gibson.
This one is stacked right.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Hold on,
Madam
just-
Clerk, thank you.
No, you're fine. I was just organizing some stuff.
Okay.
Okay, I got it. Sorry.
And
For the
perhaps
20th.
April the 20th.
And is it possible I could get the name of this defendant we're waiting for?
Carl William Lindsay.
Thank you.
Carl William Lindsay. You're welcome. This stuff is kind of eerie when they show these athletes and that have died.
Steve there. I remember.
Yes,
Oh,
Steve.
they be talking.
No, they're just saying, wiping
These
out.
people are down.
They did.
Is that
She
the guy
killed
with a
that-
gun? These college
That's
students?
AI. Well, they're all pros and all that kind of stuff. I guess
Oh,
it's
wow.
AI making them.
That girl that killed him in his sleep.
She
And
killed
then
him.
killed herself. Yep, Stephen there. And he
They
told-
were dating or
Yeah,
something?
he told her he was leaving her, going back to his wife.
His
or
wife.
something like that.
Yeah,
She killed him.
yeah.
Mm.
Steve the Air McNair.
And you're out of
Wow.
The McNeese State,
State?
yeah.
Alcorn.
Alcorn State.
She would always stand over me when I'd be sleeping all the time. My mother speaking of that. And she would startle me all the time. And I'd be like, what are you doing? She would always do that and be looking at me.
But it's kind of crazy how they have
They can make them do anything.
Yeah.
They can make you be with Steve McNair in a video talking to each other. AI.
AI, that's crazy.
That's
They can take a
insane.
picture of you. make you
All
say-
right. All right. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Carl William Lindsay. Mr. William Lindsay, stand up there, state your name for the record, sir.
Carl William Lindsay.
All right, Mr. Ragnow, can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Yes, Your Honor. Samuel A. Ragnan, P23 157 on behalf of the defendant, Mr. Lindsay.
All right. I've got you an attorney, sir. Now, do we know the results of that test?
That
They didn't give you the results.
no.
All right. All right. So here we are. I kind of gave you an update on what's going on. How old are you? How old are you?
46. I just turned 46.
You're 46 years old. You've almost lived half a century. There's no, I didn't have a ride. You got a ride. You just don't want to may take it or find somebody to get. This is not a debate or a discussion. This is just the way it is. These are just things that we have to do. We have to be able to take care of business and responsibility. I don't have a phone. Well, you got some kind of way to contact the court or something. You have to find a way. It's just that's it. Now the fact that you haven't tested since the last time you've been in here is completely unacceptable. We're going to move forward from this point. You have a lawyer, and I'm going to get you his telephone number. Do we have a good phone number for you now?
Yeah.
And what is that?
313-414-5186. I mean, yeah, 86.
Is that right, sis? All right, 5186. We're testing one time per week. No leaving the state of Michigan without the court's permission. I'm gonna leave the bonding conditions as the same. No drinking during the pendency of this case. You've got set up with probation now to test. They're on a regular basis now? All right, I'm gonna get the results of that test. If we have that test and that test has some alcohol in it, we're bringing you back in, all right? Mr. Ragnow, can you give him your telephone number?
I certainly will. I have his number. I'm going to text it right to him, Your Honor.
Does that take the phone?
I have the phone. I can use it someone else's phone number. I can't get a phone until I just my number. Can you just send it? I'll take that.
So what's the number you giving me? That number doesn't work?
Yeah, it works.
Oh, all right. All right.
If you give me the number, I can take it.
Put your number in the chat, Mr. Ragnow, or unless you want to tell the world, and I'm the best attorney in the world, call me. You're on Zoom. I get a lot of followers, you know.
More than happy to give him my number, Your Honor. First of all, Mr. Lindsay, my name is Sam Ragnone, Ragnone. My phone number is 424-744-7029. Did you get that?
What would be what can be a good time to reach out to you?
Well, I'd like to call you this afternoon, probably around 3 o'clock or thereabouts when I get back from an appointment.
Okay.
And we'll go over this case, and there's a few things we're going to need to do that I'm going to need you to do. So I'll let you know that in advance.
I would say pay the reinstatement fee up front, but with the case, with the cases, the drunk driving allegations, he's not going to be able to get a driver's license at least until this case is resolved. I'm going to give you a pretrial date of April the 20th, 4/20. Don't come in here 4/20 friendly either. And then listen, I'm just trying to tell you like this. There's no excuse. All right. You're a grown man. I know you get where you want to get when you want to get there. There's no debating. I know this. When nobody wants to be down here, none of them. But this is part of life. This is what you got to do. And I expect, just like you get where you want to get in the everyday life, I expect you to get down here, and I expect you to do what the court requires you to do. Okay? Yes. All right. All right. We'll move that in the past. Now, the past can come back to haunt you if I see there's a mistest. If there's a mistest, another mistest, if there is a positive test for alcohol, or if the test comes back diluted, I'm going to consider those to be a positive test, and then we're going to have a problem. That's when all of this stuff is going to come back up. If there's no other issue as far as testing is concerned, this stuff will be in the past, and we'll leave it in the past. Thank you. Best of luck to you, sir. Thank you.
Oh, yeah. There you go, Mr.
Yeah.
Great today on my birthday.
You don't have any problem.
Okay.
Oh, heck no. Well, wait a minute. Let me say this. He's a grown man. He can do whatever he wants to do, but there's always consequences.
I don't want to drink. I didn't even drink that on my birthday.
Is your birthday today?
Yes, it is.
Happy birthday.
Thank you so much.
All right, happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
You can turn up as much as you want to.
I am.
All right.
You remember my auntie Tamika Coleman? Cameron?
Oh, yes.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Girl, that's Tamika Coleman.
That's what's up. Oh. But I know you're going to turn up. Have a good one.
All right.
All right. All right, Mr. Ragnow. Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you very much. It's always a pleasure to be in your courtroom, and thank you.
It's always mine.
And officer, thank you.